The groundbreaking ceremony for the second phase of the Borin factory has officially begun. We are expanding the factory construction and investing more resources to manufacture high-quality air purification equipment. Our new production plan aims to produce UI sets of purification equipment throughout the year. We will be able to offer more powerful products and services in the future. Let's look forward to our new breakthrough together. Letting go of dreams, colorful balloons float into the sky, all expressing expectations for the future. We worked together with shovels to dig the soil and lay a solid foundation for the new factory.